people, how are you guys doing? What's up? This is the most requested video on my channel ever. At the end of one of my previous videos where I followed a Korean makeup tutorial, I asked you guys one question. What makeup style I should try out next? Oh, that was a mistake. It felt like all the people that wanted me to do an Indian bridal makeup were somehow on standby mode, and that question just activated them. Oh, they attacked. The time has come. This is our chance. Come on everyone, we have a comment section to break. You guys broke my comment section. That's okay though, I still love you. 99% of the comments were like Indian bridal, Indian bridal, Indian bridal, Indian bridal. Then when are you doing Indian bridal? Indian bridal makeup! Okay, I think I got the hint. Not one, not two, not even three, but 19 million views. This is the tutorial I'm following today. It has so many views, it must be good. That's almost as if Mr. Beast did a makeup tutorial. That's a nice song. We're gonna start off with the base, cause someone wise once told me bases are the base of everything. And now I just trust them. Oh, okay. Is everyone okay out there? If it's not helicopters, helicopter, it will be cars, isn't it? I don't like vehicles. So, as you already saw, I have a slug on my face, a golden one. I'm following this tutorial. I'm so sorry, slug. I'm following this tutorial by the channel called Makeup Artist Kumaresh and John. They have all the products that they used listed in their description box. For their primer, they used the MAC Strobe Cream. I have that primer, but I bought it in 2017. That's 5 years ago. Should I throw it away?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Same. Should I throw it away? Yeah. Will I throw it away? No. What if I, need it for a video or something at some point? I'm not throwing it away. So I used something that's kind of similar to that MAC Strobe Cream. And oh my god. Oh my god, this product. Look at my face. Oh, no, don't look. Hold on. Let me help you a little. There we go. You can look now. This product exaggerates every single muscle of my face. You can see every single muscle of my face moving. Toot, toot. Yes, I think my Denny is not working. Well, it looks like she's glitching a little. Is she plugged in? Yeah? Now that my face looks like jalebi,
they're the same picture.
we can move on to the eyebrows. And when it comes to the eyebrows, buckle up. We want to define them, we want to make them strong, independent, and once we're done with them, they're gonna have their own character and opinion. I won't need to tell you, hey, my eyebrows are up here. No, they'll be the only thing you'll be able to see on my face. Everything else will just fade away. They'll be the centerpiece. That's how defined we want them. It's going to be a good day for my eyebrows. Now they're moving on to the part where they're cleaning the eyebrows with concealer. And I'm talking about a lot of it. Did you break? No. How about now? I'm just kidding. We're gonna proceed to clean the eyebrows with some concealer, and by some, I mean a lot. My eyebrows look like the wings of an eagle. Well, that's a seagull, Danny. No, it's a low-budget eagle. My friends, there are people out there that will tell you, that's too much makeup. Listen! Don't listen to them. People talk, and sometimes, actually most of the times, they say dumb stuff. Danny, 2022. Peace out. Wear on your face whatever you like, however you like, and yes. God, I'm so good at motivational speaking. Anyways, I think it's time to blend this concealer. Let's not forget to fill in that gap over there. Ooh, that was so oddly satisfying. How is blend in Hindi? Come on, I'm very good at speaking Hindi. I think I've got this.
Milana,
baby. Wow. I feel good. For the eyes, they used the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and the Rose Gold palette, again by Huda Beauty. Oh, I have them. They're ancient. These are actually some of the first palettes that came out. I got those in PR a really long time ago. Are they dusty? Yes, they were actually dusty because they were in the basement. Are they crusty? Most likely. Rusty, dusty, and crusty. Hold on, why I'm describing myself? First, they're adding something very nice and orangey in the crease. Something that looks like this. I'm using this eyeshadow over here. Wow, they're very powdery. I mean, time has passed. Oh, why my mustache looks so sweaty? Then they're going with something pink. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, this is nice. I like this combo. Left, right, left, right, left, right. How is left and right in Hindi?
Left, right.
Not in English.
Why die? Why die? Why die?
Oh, that's a little mean. I think I prefer the English version a little more because it's not that violent.
Left, right.
I think Google Translate had enough of me, okay? It wants me to finally leave it alone. Listen to what it's telling me.
Why die?
Bye. Die. Bye. Die. This is so funny. Okay, that's enough dying for today. I don't know how we got here. But the next thing that they do is they're darkening up the outer corner with some dark brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this one over here. It's called Coco. That's only something a chicken would say. Bye and die. Bye and die. Bye and die. Da 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 die. Oh, they're going even darker. They're now applying some black eyeshadow in the outer corner. Black eyeshadow, I got it. Let's take this one over here. Boom, boom. Oh, look at that pigment. Wow, that's intense. Oh, I got some fallout. That's enough eyeshadow to make one more. That's enough eyeshadow for one more eye of makeup. Now here is where it gets interesting. My friends, we're at my favorite part. Are those shimmers? Can stuff stop falling apart? Can stuff stop falling apart around me? I see blingy blingy. I like blingy blingy. I think that the eyeshadow that they used is this one over here. Am I going to apply it with my fingers? Yes, I'm already doing it. I'm just gonna say, I'm done with this. I'm actually lying. I knew that this was coming. I wanna swing. And before you go, Daddy, you don't like green. I know, I don't need to be reminded that. But let me stop you there, because the color that we're applying in the center of the eyelid, it's more like turquoise. It's not more of like turquoise, it is turquoise. It's like the cousin of green, but it's not green. This is looking not so great so far. Oh, that was a little mean. But listen to me. Here is where everything changes. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Pico anyone? Oh, it's so sour. I love it. There is one thing that is very impressive about the way they did the eyeliner. It's how close they bring the wing of the eyeliner to the tail of the eyebrow. They're so close. I'm this close to losing my patience. So from here all the way up. Ooh, this is going to be nice. And all the way back. Oh, they're very sour. Look at that eyeliner. It just keeps on going and going and going. Not even the eyebrows can stop it. I also added a nice pair of false lashes. You can barely see them because the eye makeup is very intense, very dramatic. And now we're moving on to the face. And guys, I have a little surprise for you. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's do it one more time. My buns! This is starting to Look at this face, look at how raw it looks. We need coverage, we need a cake. Okay, we're gonna add some base and buy some, I mean a lot. Do I have something green on my teeth? Because I ate the whole jar of pickles. Oh, now we're color correcting. Here's the thing. We have a very different skin tone. Red is usually used to reduce the grayness in the skin. I don't have much grayness, but I have a lot of redness. So what gets rid of red? Green. Did you just fart in my face? Okay, now you know why I'm never color correcting. Oh god, oh. Okay, I'm done with green. Let's move on. They're using a super full coverage concealer. I'm trying to catch up. Ooh, ketchup. I like ketchup. I'm using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the shade Shortbread. Ooh, shortbread. Shortbread? Nah. Long bread? Yeah. Buffing it out with a sponge. Guys, I have a crucial question. What comes after foundation? Concealer? Nah. Blush? Nope. Powder? Nope. I got it. Cheesecake. No. Whatever you said, it's wrong. After foundation comes even more foundation. Cause why not? Who is making the rules? That's right, we are making the rules. I think that this is a different foundation than the first one that they used. So I'm gonna use a different brand as well. This one is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Oh, that sounded adorable. My face looks so flat right now. That's why I need some contour, and they have a very interesting way of doing the contour. They start with a huge triangle in the hollows of the cheeks and all the way under the chin. Oh, holy cheekbones, welcome. We've been expecting you this whole time. Bye, double chin, die. What? I'm just saying left and right in Hindi. Hold on, we missed something. They didn't show that they did it, but I saw that they did it. I'm talking about the nose contour. I think I'm using too dark contour. I don't usually contour my nose. See, here's the thing. I don't do this, I don't do that. Maybe that's why my life is so boring. My nose is itchy. That probably means that I'm telling the truth. I don't know. It keeps on being itchy. Ah, it's itchy on the outside. What does that mean?
It means rash.
So they did something like this under the eyes, and then from the mouth. Wow, that's different. Let's not forget about the forehead, and of course the nose. So I don't know if you've heard, but full glam makeup looks like this. They're very time consuming. Never underestimate them. It takes time to blend and smooth everything out. It's definitely not something quick and easy. But I can't complain really. I've put myself in far worse situations. While the under eyes are baking, we're also going to set the whole face with some powder. And now it looks like they're baking what's already baking. That's double baking. I'm turning into a twice baked potato. That's a real thing actually. Look at that. Never forget how powerful the makeup under the eyes can be. The eyeshadows you put on your lower lashes are just as important as the one you put on your eyelids. And we're going both on the lower lash line today. The makeup under the eye is so intense, it made me go from this to this. I think we need to report Danny missing. Someone has abducted her, because this is how we started and now we're here. We're two different people. I got eyeliner on my shirt and on my arm. How? Oh my god, it doesn't want to come off. Good, not good. We're gonna highlight the brow bone. I have eyeliner on my chin. Alrighty guys, we're almost at the finish line. All I have left to do is add some bronzer, contour, blush, highlighter, and of course, the red lips. Okay, the lips really tied the whole look together. This is really awesome already, but there is something I didn't tell you. There is something more. I can't do an Indian-inspired makeup without the jewelry. The look just won't be completed. The jewelry is a huge part of it. Bloop, bloop. Listen, I'm a huge fan of earrings, but these are my heaviest earrings ever. There is one word I know in Hindi. I learned it in my video where I was baking stuff in foreign languages. It's dantar kudni. Dantar kudni. And it turns out people in India don't even use that word. It means toothpick. They just say toothpick. Dantar kudni. Dantar kudni. That's my weapon of choice. So let me guys know what you think about my attempt to recreate this Indian Bengali bridal makeup. I think that it's so pretty. It's very intense, it's very dramatic, but that's how it's supposed to be and I love it. I love how it turned out. Let me know what other makeup styles I should try out next. This was so much fun for me, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one over here. I tried following a Korean makeup tutorial. Or you can check out this one. I don't know what YouTube is suggesting, but it must be good. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!